Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you Imgbob upload and share image platform. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboards, uploads, users, page, blog article, user update, user upload, guest upload, total user space, then user status for this week, recent upload status, then manage user. You can add user, active user, banned user, verified user, unverified user, all user data in here. You can edit and delete. Then another option is manage upload, user upload, guest upload, similar. Then reported image, then advertisement, navigation, menu. You can add and save, edit, delete. Then footer menu, same pattern. Then blog, article, then category, comments, setting, then manage selection. So many settings. Function is general, upload, store, SMTP, page, admin, extension, language, SEO, mail template. You can customize. Then extra feature is pop-up notification, custom CSS, then add-ons manager, and clean cache. This is your profile. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.